Hi, good day. My name is Andrea, mother of two daughters. One is 9 years old and the younger is 2 years old. I've been working as a virtual assistant for several years, supporting clients and managing their daily business needs. My experience includes handling administrative tasks, managing social media accounts, doing research, scheduling, and providing customer support. I'm highly skilled in using different tools like Google Workspace, Microsoft Office, Trello, Canva, multi-account browser, and CRM. And I'm very comfortable learning new platforms quickly. What I enjoyed most being a virtual assistant is helping business owners save time so they can focus on growth, while I take care on the details in the background. I'm also confident in communicating with clients, solving problems, and staying organized in fast-paced environments. Overall, I describe myself as a detail-oriented, reliable, and adaptable, and always making sure to deliver quality result. And that's all. Have a nice day.